Hi, Lester, Wushu Engineer. I've been involved with several large projects for the channel and for our other businesses recently, not the least of which is the Wushu Scientist's study into force production in traditional martial artists. This is currently being performed at the University of Southern Queensland's Respiratory and Exercise Physiology Laboratory, in collaboration with the USQ Department of Sport and Exercise Science, the Chinese Martial Arts and Health Centre Australia, or the CMAHCA, and the Martial Arts Research and Testing Laboratory, also called MARTEL. The testing stage of the Wushu Scientist study has begun, and although it's still early days, there are some really exciting results that have been surfacing. I will produce a few dedicated videos regarding some of these results in the near future. To whet your appetite, here's a brief clip from the Wushu Scientist's teleconference with her supervisor to discuss the first emerging data.
And I mean, God, that's quite amazing, really. So can you see that screen? Let's bring up Lester's one. His maximum, I think, was over 200. So, yeah. But you just have to have a look at quite a few subjects, really.
Yeah.
Don't take any conclusions from a couple. I'm sure that you might get loads that are no different.
However, I am going to keep this video very brief and focus on two important announcements that I would like to make. I decided to put them in their own dedicated video to ensure that they weren't just lost as an add-on to one of my other videos. The first announcement is that we are going to be at the upcoming Swordplay event in Brisbane. Swordplay is an annual historical European martial art event involving both workshops and tournaments held in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia from Thursday the 5th to Sunday the 8th of September. It'll be held at the Brisbane City Indoor Sports Centre in Coorparoo. The venue is at 8 Castlemaine Street, Coorparoo, Queensland. We will be there representing the Martial Arts Research and Testing Laboratory, MARTEL, and we'll be running a workshop on the importance of discipline-specific key performance indicators. The workshop's timetable is not yet populated, so I can't confirm exactly when we will be doing our thing, but keep an eye on the website and details will surface in the near future. I will leave a link to the website in the video description below. If you are going to be at Swordplay, we would love to meet you. Come over and say hello. The second announcement that I would like to make is that we have just recently launched our new Wushu Engineer Wushu Workshop website. That's quite a mouthful, but anyway. We have Wushu Engineer merchandise for sale on the website. Ultimately, we would like to add bits and pieces of gear and training equipment that I have found useful over the years. I intend to test all of the gear and equipment that appears on the Wushu Workshop website and review it on my Wushu Engineer channel prior to adding it to our shop's inventory. Additionally, we would like to develop our own unique gear and equipment that will also potentially be sold on the site in the future. The proceeds of any sales made on the website will go towards supporting the channel and paying for some of the more expensive projects that I attempt, along with purchasing more testing equipment for future martial arts investigations. In addition to items for sale on the website, I intend to provide some free plans and build information for some of my projects to enable any of you who are interested to build them yourselves. All that I would ask, if you do make use of these plans once I start uploading them, is that you credit me in any use that you make of them. I would also love to see pictures and or videos of any of these projects in operation. If you would like to support the channel and also score some cool merch, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. I'll work to get out another interesting video as soon as possible. I seriously have a growing list of about 60 outstanding video projects that are all crying out for attention. Most of these are either mini investigations into various aspects of martial arts and training, or are build projects. A few are speculative videos on the future of combat, weaponry, armor, martial arts, and martial arts training. All of these videos take a lot of work and effort to produce. Some are also fairly expensive, and the costs have to be shoehorned into a very limited budget. The amount of work entailed, coupled with a limited budget, makes it hard for me to put out videos every week. Give me time and I'll get them out, don't you worry. Now, I'm not a very demonstrative person by nature, but I would like to say thank you to all of my regular viewers. Thank you for your ongoing support. I do appreciate it. I'll see you all next time. Cheers.